So we're in some alleyway and we're eating here at Steak Inn.
You lock it. So you get the key?
Yeah.
No one's doing the umbrella.
And then else does it?
Okay. It's got TripAdvisor.
TripAdvisor. Butter is for the bread, yeah, the bun, and it's still warm. I want to wait. Where's my plate? Oh yeah. Bread is good for you. Cut off the
For the hangover. Good bread, eh?
This is how you open it, and you just like spread the butter in. Is the butter smooth? Do you know how annoying it was trying to spread the butter on the plane? It was so hard.
I know, eh?
Yeah. But then again, what do you expect? Onion soup, and this one is the beef and tomatoes. That sounds nice. You said you don't like it.
No, I was mixed between.
And my one is the puff pastry and mushroom soup.
Cheese on top. Look at that.
Good.
Try them.
How's it go?
Taste.
Oh yeah. Give me.
Tastes like.
Minestrone soup. No minestrone.
It's like
How's your one?
Pretty good. Pretty
That's
good,
for
man.
onion soup.
Feels like the Smith chips onion, like.
Yeah, that's mushroom.
That's good, man. That's really good.
What's on mine here? Taste one.
Sounds good.
What's your one?
Yeah.
What's your one?
Taste onion. That's the best onion soup I've ever tasted.
Me too. Didn't sound nice, but actually is nice. It's like sweet, man. It's good, eh?
Yeah, and this one's good too. You know what's good about this place? Like when you go fine dining, it takes you hours for the food to come out, and the food's already out. Yeah. I don't know what you do. Well, I flatten it. Yeah, you do it. I don't know what to do. You just have to cut it.
Break with your hands, bro. I'm like Kimber, man.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Is it good? Better with the thing?
Right. You haven't had onion soup in been here.
Huh?
You haven't had onion soup in been here.
Oh, yum.
With the pastry better. It's too like strong from the pastry. Good. Tastes like pie or something. So our entrees came and I got the salmon Caesar salad, which looks.
Now I gotta work out how to eat this thing.
Yeah, how do I eat this? It's kind of like a fish or something. And then what did you guys get? Seared scallops. So you guys both got the same thing, hey?
Yeah.
Can someone like teach me how to eat this? I'm confused. This is seared scallop, yeah. Mmm. You dip in the sauce, yeah?
Yeah, it's seaweed sauce.
Mmm. Lettuce is like one whole piece. You know how it is?
Oh, yeah.
You cut it up. This one's like one nice. Well, yeah, I can pick it up with one go. Do you see that? How do I eat this? I'll just go for it.
It's slippery.
Want some salad?
Yes, please.
I got one lettuce. You can take one piece.
Is that red?
Huh?
I'm not Irish.
Have you had it?
I don't know.
Have a slice, have a slice. Oh, you like
This is the Caesar. What's this? Iceberg lettuce? No,
cos lettuce.
cos lettuce. One whole piece.
You like it?
Oh, you eat it?
It's like rubbish, bro.
Love it.
It tastes like bin juice a little bit. I said it tastes like bin juice.
Try it. Nice. But it's raw? Why is it see-through? I like it. Mmm.
It tastes like bin juice.
I think because we cook with that. You don't cook everything with that. Does anyone? So the water is for washing your hands after we eat the lobster. That's what it looks like.
Okay, take that over.
You take another photo of my phone.
Okay.
Oh, can I get a claw? Yeah.
There you go. Go hard.
The claw. Did you just eat with a fork or the pig?
I'm just eating the pig.
Let's see. Okay, the pig. It came out one piece.
Look at that.
Oh, the tail.
Like that bit. How cool is that?
Do we get what's face or it comes with it?
Let's see. Is it buttered?
I don't know. I don't really.
You don't like lobster?
No, it's alright, but kind of aim place.
What's it? It tastes butter.
Maybe you got the good piece. Mine was just like, yeah, taste mine. This tastes like meat, no flavour. You should fork. Or are you gonna flip it everywhere?
Oh no, I still don't know.
You see here? I'll give you. You like? Plain, yeah. It has no flavour. Maybe
Mine
yours
tastes
the same?
cheesy.
Taste it here.
Well, yours was the same as mine then.
Cheese and butter.
Oh, so
Does
you
it not
take
taste
it.
cheesy? Does it not taste cheesy,
Mine
then?
is just the butter.
I don't know, mine tastes kind of in place. Take the
Dude, I don't really use them with my fingers.
I'm using my hands.
Use the fork.
I just assume that you use your hand because they get us to wash our hands with.
In butter.
Mine is good.
Ooh, it came out in one piece. I like it. Dip it in a bit of butter. Good. Good. One piece.
Just dripping it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to eat that one.
You don't want to eat no more?
No, I don't know how to eat that one. This is Canadian lobster.
Check this out.
He gets nothing.
How's it? How's it?
Pretty good.
More flavour there? This one?
Yeah, way more flavour.
Did you guys get a claw as well, or does only one claw?
I would have thought. I got like the rest of it, sorry guys.
Oh no.
You're not.
I'm going to wait for a steak.
How the hell did you take yours out? I can't know.
What? The claw?
Trouble.
Break it. Break
Break
it.
You put crab or lobster?
I don't mind her.
Both as good.
Yeah.
Both as good as each other, I reckon.
So this bowl has
Do I want this?
a piece of lemon in it.
Does that just start it anyway?
Yeah, you can do that.
Can I take
But
this?
I'm gonna wash my hands with this.
Yeah, I think this thing.
Yeah, it takes ridiculous to get the
What is it made of? There's lemon in it. I think it's tea or something.
Lemon tea.
Black tea. It smells like
I think you could drink it.
That's what I said. It's
What is
drinkable.
the sauce? So, I better do one lobster.
So this is a sorbet. What flavour is a sorbet?
I don't know.
But the sorbet is to cleanse our palate.
For the plate, for the beef, it will be extremely hot, so I'll put on an
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. I thought dessert came early. I thought dessert came early.
Yeah.
It's really nice, man.
Nice place.
Very good. Good choice, Anna.
First one is Caesar.
Oh, Caesar.
Yellow mustard.
Yellow mustard.
Horseradish.
Horseradish.
Here's 24 ounce.
Sorry?
And here's a 24 ounce hubcap.
Oh, okay. Just cutting it to 3 portions for us. Thank you.
No problem.
This is another piece of steak. Oh, there's a whole carrot here. I don't know what this is. Is this mushroom or potato? Potato?
You love your veggies, eh?
Oh, well.
You love your veggies, eh?
And this is like,
Good kid, you know?
what is this? Oh, this is like a baby corn. Mmm.
When you make gravy, it's oil up there.
Explain that again.
It's red wine mixed with when you make gravy, it's that's from all the
The
oil,
juice from
shit,
the
the
meat.
juice from the meat,
Yeah.
yeah. That's the red wine, it's with the juice of the meat, I think.
Do you reckon? Because they didn't. Do you reckon did they let them make to sit because you know how you let it sit all the juices and the red stuff come out, or they just quickly got it off the plate and gave it to us like this?
I think so, yeah.
What's it called when it's like 75% cooked? There's such thing.
So good. You happy?
Yeah.
Satisfied?
Go back home.
I never had steak as good in my life.
Really?
Best steak of your life?
Best steak of my whole life.
Really?
My whole life, man.
It's so juicy that breaks them up.
That's it. That's it.
You guys can't both of
You know that makes better than right? It's good for your heart. It is.
You know the radish?
I told you to.
Oh, the radish, not the I thought you were talking about the carrot. Oh, I thought you were talking about the carrot.
I didn't touch a radish, bro.
Yeah, and like it's just like it's like wasabi.
Yeah.
That's how it feels like wasabi.
That's a chili. That is a
Don't
chili.
eat it.
That's a
I
chili
thought it was a
itself.
carrot. Oh, okay. I can see the seeds, so I was like, is this a carrot?
Actually.
You know, like a baby carrot, but this is a huge baby carrot. Baby corn, sorry. Baby corn, but a huge baby corn. So they gave liquid sugar for this. What's this? Tea, yeah?
Blueberry fruit tea.
What?
Blueberry fruit tea.
Blueberry fruit tea.
Blueberry fruit iced tea. It's good, eh? It's good flavour. I think it needs sugar, but it's like a sour flavour.
A bit sour.
Without the sugar.
Yeah, you need the liquid sugar. Sour desserts came, and this is the chef's special. I think it's a cheesecake. And this one is, your one is
Chocolate ganache.
chocolate ganache. Looks pretty good. And then my one is the, what's this called, Anna? I don't know. Something
It's ice
coffee.
cream.
Coffee with
Avocado.
yeah, avocado. I would say it's like the same service as a fine dining restaurant in Sydney, but it's much more affordable. The service is good, the food is good, and so we just had dinner. We're full. We're now going to go head over to Taipei 101 because the last it closes at 10, but the last payment is at 9:15. So you have roughly about 45 minutes to check out the observatory.